This will be the setup process for the Wyze Safe. As with any Wyze product, because there is some stuff that you can do through the application, your first step is actually going to be to take out the app, open up Wyze, and if you do not yet have a Wyze account, you're going to want to create a Wyze account. If you already have a Wyze account, simply open your Wyze account and in the upper corner, select the plus sign and then add device. What you're going to do is you're going to try and find where the Wyze Safe fits in. Here we go. Wyze Safe is located right there and we select next. What we have to do is open the safe, find the pairing button, press and hold the pairing button for about 3 seconds until the safe beeps. Once you release the button, the keypad will light up. I have a feeling that what you're actually supposed to do first is, well, one, you need to get the keys because, well, over here, until you put batteries or anything in this is the only way that you can access the safe. So the safe is open right there, but if you locate the pairing button, which is right here, right there, pressing and holding that, it's not going to do anything because there is no batteries in this as of yet. And that's me pressing and holding and nothing is happening. Wyze is nice enough to supply you with some batteries, which go right here. Don't try and pry this off. There actually is a button on the inside. Simply press and it will eject the tray for your batteries. Noting which way your battery tray came out, simply reinstall your battery tray. You'll see that it beeps and flashed green right there. So if we open up our application again, we're still waiting for that pairing button. So now if we come through, it indicated that it was pairing and is now flashing. It has not beeped yet, but we're gonna hit next because it did say pairing. And right here it says it's connecting to the safe and it might take a little bit. And we see the green buttons are still flashing.
Pairing successful.
And there you go, pairing successful. You have to give your device a name. They give you a couple of predetermined ones. We're just gonna call this emergency safe and select next. You need to create a code. This is the 4 to 8 digit code that will open the safe up. And we're just gonna do that off camera and wait. And it says to remember your code after you type it in. And then we're gonna select next. Then there is a lovely fingerprint scanning thing that you have to, pretty much it's consenting to. They're going to use your fingerprint, but it's going to be saved on the device, which in some cases is good. We're going to consent because, well,
place your finger on the sensor to scan.
And now it wants me to place my finger on the sensor. So here we go.
Scan your finger again. Scan your finger, scan your finger, scan your finger again, scan your finger again, scan your finger again, scan your finger again. Scan successful.
So you kind of do that 8 times, different parts of your finger, just to make sure that it gets all aspects. And of course, the one day that I cut my finger at work is the day that I was going to set this up. We're going to select finish. App lock setup required, so we're going to set that up. So if you have the Wyze Safe as part of your Wyze app, in order to access the Wyze Safe features in the app, you need to set up a separate PIN code just for the application to access this. So that is a 4 to 8 digit code, and it's showing that the emergency safe in my case is unlocked. If I type that, it locked it. However, can't really do anything because, well, that's open. So we can go unlock, and it makes a noise and shakes quite a bit and shows you right there in the app, but the app is for another day. So that was the setup of the Wyze Safe using the Wyze app.